came back to this one, but it's not record friendly, so I'm gonna have to, you know, speed through this. But that doesn't mean don't give me nothing. Oh shit, is this gonna happen again? The wilds or the lady. Oh, you do have 5 of a kind with the kings. Hope you guys could see everything. I'll get the chip in there. Oh, the cars are wilds. Oh, I got 5 of a kind with 9s down there. I'll hit the chip. I'll keep taking those. Okay, last one. Chip or the briefcase. Nope. About 2650, not too bad. I've had much worse. I should come across this again, see if it goes any better though. At least it won't be a... I need the chip in there. I haven't had a hold and spins yet. King. Oh no, don't do this. Oh. Get the damn chip, or get the poker chip. Oh shit, last one already. Oh, that was horrible. Fuck this.